I'm good, thanks for asking. What about you? I am from Odisha. What about you? Yeah, I am from Odisha. And you? I don't do anything. What about you? Yeah, I'm unemployed. Sorry, where are you working? Which department? Wow. Are you working in Delhi or Bangalore? Noida. Okay. Then which department have you completed your graduation? Okay. Then did you get that job in campus selection or okay? Then how far from your office? Wow, you are a talent. Yeah, that's why you got job, right? Then how far from your home to your residence? How far from your office to your residence, your home? Okay, how do you go there? Okay, is it a hybrid mode? Okay, that's good. That's good. No need to take tension and worry about it, right? IT job in this day it is a good all because you get benefit because you don't go office regularly and no need to spend your means money also traveling, right? Okay, what? Hmm, hmm. Okay, you see all department, not only IT sector, all department people get stress and anxiety, right? Because even though you see private department, government department, they have a rule regulation. They pressurize because you get target, then you have to achieve on time, right? Then obviously you get tension and worry, and sometimes people they get unexpected situation also, right? During their tenure. Then you cannot tell only IT employees they get tension, stress, and anxiety. All department employee, they this type of they are facing. I think so, right? Yeah. Even though you see if any person are skillful person and experience holder, they can manage a office matter, right? Otherwise, people cannot handle that office work. Not only they have a good degree on their hand, it's okay, but your degree doesn't work inside office, right? Because you study computer science or whatever you have degree on your hand, PhD or something, that is a theory. But if you go to office, that is a practical. You get different scenario in there, and whatever you study, they never implement it there. You get knowledge, but not that type of, right? Hello.